Hey guys, happy Friday. Okay, so today you're kind of wrapping everything up. So listen and benchmark to the story. If you want to read the entire thing again, go ahead, but I would definitely listen to it, and then you're going to write me a summary. So the summary does not need to be half a page long. You should have your 3 key details, a main idea, what the important thing that happened, kind of a beginning, middle, end. So make sure you get that done. That's Friday. Make sure your previous assignments are completed, so you have the vocab, the similes, your other key details and main ideas and whatever else is assigned. Then for writing, you're wrapping up your essay. So you should have your 5th paragraph. Remember, it's conclusion. Again, do not write, and that is my story about the American Revolution, or those are my 3 people. Just say, you need to use your transition words and things like that. Okay, then for math, hopefully you guys like perimeter and area. Okay, so today it's going to be volume. So again, I'm just going to, actually this will be hopefully a quicker day, and I'm going to flip it. Bam. And this is another formula that you need to memorize. And let me get my handy dandy pencil. So you have some more vocab terms. I'm going to see if I can zoom that in. Tip that over. All right. So you have over here, pay attention to these, and this is kind of what the classwork pages are for, to give you vocab, to kind of introduce it. Sometimes they're super easy and sometimes they're not, so just do the best you can. But this is important. This is face, edge, unit cube, volume, and cubic unit. So it gives you a nice little picture of what the face is. That means it's one side. That's a face. A vertex is just a corner. How many vertexes? Boom, boom, boom. And then there's 2 on the other side that you can't see. The edge is the entire line. Okay. So how many faces does a cube have? Well, 1, 2, 3 that I can see. But then there's 4. There's 1 over here. There's 1 on the back. 5, 6. So if you're not sure, get out a cereal box and count how many sides it has. Going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 on the side, 2 on the top and bottom, and then whoo, front and back. That was a noisy one. Okay, so then how many edges does it have? So that's a little trickier. Sometimes it's easy to visualize, sometimes it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the other side's going to have 4. Plus 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like I'm missing some, because the answer is 12. Why is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Holy cow. Okay, that one just made my brain explode. Okay, the answer is 12. Huh. Okay. So the edges of a cube are the same length. That is true. Yeah, they are. All the faces of a cube, are they the same size? Yes, that's true. Now, there's some things, this is a cube. There's some things that are more rectangular, like a cereal box. That might be different. They might have different sizes. Okay, so you have to memorize this formula right here. V equals length times width times height. So you have length times width times height. All right, that's your length, width, height. So if you multiply all those, then you can find the volume. The volume is what's inside. So it's not the outs, it's what's inside that box. So when you fill it up. Okay, so on this one, how many cubes are there? Well, if I do my length, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do my width, that's 3. If I do my height, 1, 2, 3, that's 3. Do I need to sit here and count all of these? No, that would be a pain, and I'm probably going to miss some because I can't see all of them. It's 4 times 3 times 3. And what does that equal? 12 times 3 is 36. So the volume is called 36 cubic units. Now, it won't always be in cubic units. A lot of times they'll do it in like feet or yards or whatever the size is. So when it's boxes like this, those are called cubic units. Okay, same thing here. What is a number of cubic units? So it's asking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and then your width is 2, and your height is 2 because it's too high. So it's 5 times 2 times 2. So it's 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2 is, we got 20. And then so to write the volume, you do write 20 cubic units. All right, now backside. I already had this one written on from last year. Woohoo! Okay, I'm not going to do all of these for you, but you have to count the cubic, the unit cubes. So that's 5, 4, 3. Multiply them together, you get 60. Boom. 3, 2, 4. See, it's almost like kind of fun. And then you just multiply 3, 2, 4, and then you get a magic number. Okay, I want you to try to do Mr. Puzzle Penguin. I know you've been missing him. And then for your homework, which is really just your classwork, you have kind of the same thing. So nothing too terribly exciting, but again, holler if you need me, if you have questions, if I forgot something. Try to turn your pages in for your docs for benchmark and writing. And have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy the sunshine. It's going to be gorgeous, and enjoy your family. And I miss you terribly. And have an awesome weekend. Bye.